Okay, so you want to know how to change your Google password? Well, I have the solution for you. You can change your password because you are being hacked or because you don't remember your password, etc. So many reasons. Well, you have to go to google.com and then press this little icon of your account. Press it and then you have to go to manage your Google account. So when you press it, you will be brought to this website. Then you have to go to security, and once you are here you have to go down till you find password. You click it, and once you're here you have to write your password. Okay, so here after you put your password you have to choose a new one, so I'm going to do that. And when you press change password, it will say that you will be stayed in, then it will say that you will stay signed in these devices. So if you have Google account into your cell phone or etc., you will not be signed out. So that's very cool. So press change password and your password was changed. So if this video was useful for you, I remember that you can follow, like, comment, share, and press the bell in the subscription button. And remember, and I remember too that there are so many videos, tutorials in my channel. So easy way. Goodbye.